Hello and welcome to this module. And in this module, we are going to talk about reshape a multi-index series into data frame. Sample Superstore, right? It's an amazing data set and we are using this. Now, so first we have to take the sales column and calculate overall sales rate by taking its mean. Let's say I have sample superstore dot sales dot mean. Here we go. This is the mean value which we are getting. Now to calculate the sales rate by a single category, let's say category column, you would use a group by. This is the sales rate category wise. For example, superstore dot group by category dot sales dot mean. Now this is my category mean by individual categories. For furniture it is 349 point something, office supply it is 119 point something, technology is 452 point something. And now to calculate the sales rate region wise also, and to do that we have to apply, let's say I have category plus region also I have to add. So how will I do that? Based on two categories. So superstore dot group by, the first column is category, second column is region, and then sales dot mean. Now you see mean by category and region. So this shows the sales rate for every combination of category and region. It is stored as a multi-indexed series. Means that it has multiple index levels to the left of the actual data. It can be hard to read and interact with data in this format. So it's often more convenient to reshape a multi-indexed series into a data frame by using the unstack method. It will be something like a cross tab type of structure. Let's try to see that. So here superstore dot group by, and then we have category, comma, we have region dot sales dot mean dot unstack. And if I execute this command, you see that we are getting a beautiful output showing central, east, south, west, furniture, office supply, and technology. It's like a cross tab type of table showing in a very easy format. So I hope this makes sense. We'll see you in the next module. Till then, happy analyzing.